Hey YouTube, let's learn this Human Condition by Pretty Sick. I like this song quite a bit. I was just playing like the bass line on my guitar, but you can play it on the bass if you want it. This is the 5th fret on the A string. And the cool thing about playing bass lines at the 5th fret is you have the same, like this is a D note, and then you have an open D right below that. And then you can also pull off. And incorporate these pull-offs into your bass lines. Give it a little more interest. So it goes D, A, same thing for the A. Doesn't work on the, this is a C, which is the next note, fret 3 on the A string. I mean, it does kind of work because you have a open A, which is in the key. Doesn't work on this one, which is G. Okay, so that's the bass line. D. You're just going between the 5th and the 3rd frets on A and E. 5th fret, 5th fret. That's the bass line. And then no, they're in the key of A minor. You can also play them up and down. Play on the D. I was playing that one on the D. So you can kind of do these single strings up horizontally, or you can do it vertically, like at the 5th fret. You have this extension box on the low end, and you have an extension box on the high end at 8, 10. Okay, cool song though, cool lyrics, and I like it's not so bass intense like some of the songs on the last album. It's a good balance of all the instruments and the drums. All right, thanks. Have fun playing. Bye bye.